Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Makadzi was seen with a man, and all I can say, guys, is that fans are all over the social media speculating ukuthi are they an item? Is there something happening? Because she seemed very happy with the man. She seemed very, very happy, giggling and just flirting around with the man. And guys, all I can say is that everyone deserves to be happy. Yes, everyone deserves to be happy, even though she's a celebrity, she's out there, but she still deserves to be happy. And the way she was happy with the man, I just feel like there is something. There might be something going on between these two, but let's just be happy for them and wish them well. Okay, let's just be happy for Makadzi and wish her well, because yes, she also deserves to be happy. She's a human being, she's a woman just like all of us. So yes, she deserves a man who loves her the way she is, and not someone who will actually play around with her. We've been seeing her going up and down with these Mjolo things, being heartbroken, singing songs. It has been hectic. But at this point, I'm just so happy if that's the case. Uguti, yes, that's someone she is in love with. I will be happy for her, man, because a lot happened in her life, especially Mjolo wise. It happened. It happened a lot of time, and it's a lot, man. It's a lot. Let's just be happy for her. Let's not run to conclude or to bash her, or let's just be happy for her and this man. Wish them all well. Over to a it has to last, man. It has to last, because she have been heartbroken so many times, and she was very vocal about the heartbreaks, very, very vocal on social media.